Hello everyone, welcome, thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys this premium 3-in-1 USB-C card reader. Alright, here we go. Let's get started. So the box looks like this. Here are the components inside, the operation manual. Now for the card reader itself. Metal tin exterior. Feels nice and smooth. Feels like an iPod. The cloth is also nice. Nicely wrapped with, looks like a nylon casing or polyester. This is nice and light. Cables is nice and thick and premium feeling. Here's the USB end, type C. Pretty nice, compact, modern. The overall cable length is about 1 foot or 12 inches. This card reader can read and write micro SD card, compact flash, and can have transfer speed up to 5 gigabytes per second. Let's test this out. Plug this into my USB Type-C port. This slot right here is for micro USB card. When a green light shows up solid, that means it's working. I'm curious what's the transfer speed rate of this device. I don't have a fast SD card. This only can go up to 150 megabytes per second. So we'll see what the results are. I'll put this in here. Now this card right here is my SD card. I'm going to transfer this file, 1.82 gigabyte, to my SD card. Let's see how fast it goes. I thought we'd get better results. Let's rename this. Let's transfer it back, see what the speeds are. Wow, fast. This is very easy to use. Push and pull. This 3-in-1 card reader is convenient. It also works with cell phones if your cell phone is compatible with USB Type-C. Wait for the green light. Right here is the USB drive, and it works. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Peace out until next time.